Hey folks, guess what?
What?
We're on an adventure.
Oh. So we came through to Miles, but there's not much for us to explore in Miles. There is
There's
really
a really
nice
cool
looking
historic village
museum.
So that's well worth a look.
But we decided we've done enough of those.
We've done a few of those.
So we were heading through to Condamine and we saw, well, we just drove past the sign that said Gil Weir. So yeah, we've just come to have a little look.
Have a wander around, check it out.
Looks quite pretty actually, and pleasant little surprise.
Charlie always thinks she can get in.
No fear. Pretty, nice little spot. Heaps of bottle brush along the banks, which is quite nice to see the red. So Brenton and Charlie have completely disappeared. Oh, there they are.
What do you think, we've been taken by aliens?
Yeah, I couldn't find you anywhere. I'm like, what? What you got? Looks like you can potentially camp here and amongst the pine trees. Looks like someone's camping right down the end. Oh, she's warm today. Stopped off here at Kellyo. So this is Kellyo Lagoon camping. Heaps of people here camping. There's a few fishing lines just down here as well. Stinking hot day here, but there's actually quite a nice cool breeze coming off the lagoon, which is good. So the lagoon here is between, well actually it's not far out of Condamine on the way down to
Meandarra. This is a nice little spot. It is really dry out here. That's really interesting when you look at the sign. We're driving through here, and the sign, caution floods for the next 25 for the next 25 k's. And
it's amazing.
Like, we're up pretty high.
Yeah.
It's like they can still flood out. But yeah, that's Queensland for you.
Yep. So it looks like a nice little spot to camp out anyway.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not camping, we're keeping on going. We're going down to Meandarra, have a bit of a look around there, and then we'll head home. We're just having a bit of
just on a day off, so we thought we'd have a look around.
Explore the region.
Yeah. Anyway, onwards and upwards.
Ciao for now.
looks like a similar kind of setup to the Chinchilla Weir
Yeah,
for camping.
But yeah, there's a few powered sites here as well as non-powered sites.
Yeah, and a pretty outlook. Look at that.
Look at that.
So we've arrived here at Meandarra. It's a cute little town. Just across the road, you've got the Meandarra Anzac Memorial Museum, which apparently is worth a look. We're not going to go in today, but yeah, apparently it's worth a look. So yeah, cute little town of Meandarra. We're in for another stormy night here. So we had a really nice explore, Darling Downs and Coldamine area. So we went through Tara, Meandarra. Can't remember all the names of the places that we went to, but we had a really nice time. Didn't get much footage. So the thunder's stopped now that I've come out to show you, but I'll see if I can catch it a bit later. Hopefully I'm not hit by lightning. At least it's cooled down. It's been so hot the last 2 days, and last night was really stormy as well. We did get a little bit of rain, but it was still really muggy, so nice cool breeze. Living here in Chinchilla for a couple of months.
Good couple of months, yep.
I thought it was about time we came and saw something.
Yes, Chinchilla is famous, very famous for something.
The big watermelon!
Chinchilla is famous for its watermelon and its watermelon festival held every 2 years. About 30,000 people end up here.
I think it's in February.
February, yeah. So, well, if you're up this way, that time it's stinking hot, but lots of watermelon.
Hello, so we're here at Reuben Lagoons. We've been in Chinchilla. We've been staying at here for a couple of weeks. While the showgrounds have had their camp draft on, and it's really lovely. I mean, look at our outlook here. As you may be able to hear in the background, we have another thunderstorm storm warning. So it's just started raining. You can hear the thunder, and yeah, hopefully it's not too bad. But yeah, it's a really great location. So yeah, another thunderstorm. It is still currently like 34 degrees or something, so really humid. But yeah, nice bit of rain. And look at this lazy bum. it's all right. He does have to get up early to start work at 7 o'clock in the morning, so we'll let him have a little bit of an afternoon lie down. Oh my God, did you hear that? Just drove past the sign that said Gil Weir.
Gil Weir.
Gil. Oh, is it Jill or Gil? Anyway.
Leave it in the comments.
Gil Weir.